How to clear Windows update history in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Want to fix stubborn Windows update errors or free up some disk space? This quick video tutorial walks you through multiple ways to clear your Windows update history in Windows 10 and 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is Windows update history? Windows 10 and 11 automatically install updates to keep your system secure and running smoothly, but sometimes the update process can run into issues. The Windows update history lets you see which updates were installed and when, helping you verify successful updates and diagnose any problems. To view your Windows update history in Windows 10 or 11, follow these steps. Right-click the Start button and open Settings. Go to Update and Security. Click on View Update History. Preparations before clearing. Windows Update History. Before clearing the Windows Update History, back up your system in case something goes wrong. Try running Windows Update manually first, as it might fix the issue or clear the history during a pending feature update. After clearing the history, run Windows Update again to make sure updates install properly. How to clear Windows Update History in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now, let's go over how to clear your Windows Update history. Keep in mind that to clear the Windows Update history with these methods, you must be logged in as an administrator, using the Windows File Explorer. Right-click the Start button and select Run. Type services.msc and press OK. Find Windows, Update and Update Orchestrator service, then right-click each and choose Stop. Delete the contents of these folders. You can also delete files in C /Windows, /logs, /Windows Update for extra log cleanup. Go back to the services.msc window and restart the Windows Update service. Open the Settings app to confirm the history has been cleared. Using the command line and automation, PowerShell, available in both Windows 10 and 11, is a more advanced tool than Command Prompt. You can use the following command to clear the Windows Update history and cache. However, please note that this command only works on Windows 10 version 2004 and newer, and you must run PowerShell as an administrator. You can save it as a .ps1 script to automate the process, but regular automation is not recommended for most users, since Windows Update is meant to work on its own. Managing updates across many Windows 10 and 11 devices can be difficult. If an update fails, manually clearing the update history and cache on each computer is time-consuming and easy to mess up. For more information, check out our official blog post on clearing your Windows Update history in Windows 10 and 11, linked in the description below.